Hello, and thanks for joining me for this flip through of this blue butterfly trifold envelope mini journal. It's all held together with this absolutely gorgeous satin blue bow, which really would make it beautiful to gift to someone, I think. So let's open it and see what's inside. On the front we've got this little tag with a butterfly here. Let's talk about this first. This is an envelope that has been wrapped around front and back like so, and in each part there is a little journaling, well, a tag really, that's been slipped into the top of the envelope for a little bit of journaling space with a nice blue ribbon on the top. That opens up like that, and look at that image. It's so lovely. And it's got this absolutely gorgeous lace down here. It's real beautiful quality lace. It's lovely. And that opens up like so to this pocket, more of this beautiful lace, and inside this pocket is this design sheet, more of the butterflies, and it says butterfly wishes, and on the back I've left it completely blank for you to journal on. So that's a nice big piece of journaling, and that just slips back into there, easily accessible and easy to put away. Here we have another butterfly design sheet, more of this gorgeous lace. It's really pretty, and that folds out. And here we have another pocket. This is just so pretty. And in here we have another piece of the design paper left blank for you to journal on, which tucks into there. And here we have the fourth fold out, which is another little envelope, and it's got a tag in there, quite a long tag, as you can see. I'll put that back in a minute. And here we have a little tuck spot with a little journaling card in, just with some butterflies on, so you can journal on that. You can see this design sheet with more lace here, and in here we have another design sheet. Beautiful one, really beautiful. Blank on the back, so you can journal on that. Very nice indeed. And that just tucks back into this pocket like so. That folds over. I don't know why that's choosing to be awkward. It just fancied being awkward, I guess. And then in the middle we've got this little journal, coffee stained, real proper aged music paper. This is its colour. I haven't coloured that. It's very vintage. Coffee stained, maps of the world, coffee stained, ledger, coffee stained, and then this page in the middle, which is your weekly planner. Good luck with that. And notes, yeah. And then just working back through coffee stained ledger, coffee stained maps, coffee stained music, and coffee stained. And that folds over there, that folds over there, and that comes back there, and then you just tie it up and either keep it, use it, gift it, whatever. It's just really nice to look at. And that's the back. So there we are, that's the blue butterfly trifold. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.